If you're seeing an Outlook error pop up, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a quick and simple fix that solves the problem in many cases. This method is especially useful when Outlook gets stuck, starts acting strangely, or keeps showing the same error message over and over again. Before we get into it, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. The first thing you want to do is fully close Outlook. Sometimes closing the window isn't enough because Outlook may still be running in the background. To make sure it is completely shut down, right-click on your taskbar and choose Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of active processes and search for Outlook. You may see it under Apps or Background Processes, depending on your system. When you find Outlook, right-click on it and select End Task. This forces the program to close completely and clears out any stuck process that may be causing the error pop-up. After that, wait a couple of seconds to make sure the process has fully ended. Then reopen Outlook again as you normally would. In many cases, this simple restart is enough to refresh the program and stop the error pop-up from appearing again. If the issue was caused by a temporary glitch, a frozen background process, or a small loading problem, this should fix it right away. If Outlook opens normally after that, go ahead and test it for a moment to make sure the pop-up is gone. This is one of the fastest first steps you should always try before moving on to more advanced troubleshooting. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix an Outlook error pop-up by fully closing Outlook in Task Manager and restarting it. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.